There we go. That should be working now. I lost the sun. I should have got here earlier. What we got here? Big old box. Too small to be a printer. Okay. I'm gonna pull this one again. Hello? There we go. Now I can hear my ears. Alright, I'm gonna pull that away. Alright, hey guys. It's been a long time no see. I've been really wanting to get back into my videos, but I've been really busy. It's awesome. I love staying busy in my life. I'm going to mute myself so I don't hear that really annoying voice in there. So let's see what we got going on. Okay, I'm on Wi-Fi on my desktop, so it might be buffering, so good luck with that. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, so I got a big box here. This is not free. This is not something I got for free from anybody. I bought this with my own money. But I've been really busy lately. And I might have teased it before, but I did get a Zone Star dual extruder machine from GearBest, and I'm still yet to review it. It came around. It came around finally, and I really I'm starting to enjoy it. So that is on the back burner right now. The Tron XY is still one of my favorite little things right there. I like the little Tron technology. And then, make sure that looks good. And let's see what else we got here. You can't see me, which is fine. So, it's been a busy day, busy life, staying busy in the world. I've been doing a lot of hobbies, trying to learn some new stuff. I kind of put 3D printing on the back burner, been helping out my local makerspace and helping them get up to speed about how to do 3D printing, and now they're all good. They've got everything they need. They have all the skills they need to have a successful makerspace. So now I can kind of work on my own little side projects here. I've got a lot of stuff to update, and I have been doing a lot of printing. A lot of really good printing. I learned a lot of new skills recently. Okay, 1 second. I'm going to have to put you guys on hold. Alright, I'll see you guys in a minute. Hey guys, just hang out there real quick. I got to handle some business, and I will get right back into the chat. All right. Still here, guys. Just hang out. I'm just dealing with some work stuff, and I'll be right back with you. All right. I got a big box here, and I want to talk to you guys about it and some of my newest projects. Still here, guys. Just working real quick. I got some late night texts. Guys, I ain't missed nothing yet. I'm just handling some work issues, and I'll be right back. Okay, people, I guess I can do this now. Woo! I've been busy. I don't know who is still out there, but I will. Oh, excuse me. This is a rough night. It's going to be a little unboxing here, a little video, so you guys can all see what I picked up off of Amazon, and maybe we will get this thing up and running tonight. I hope so. One more second. I got a lot of work stuff to deal with. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, let's see what we got in the video here. I got 4 people watching. That sounds cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let's see. We got Lydia is back in the thing. She got a new thing. Lay 3D printing. La 3D printing. You sent me a video or a logo. I don't check my email a lot, and a lot of things get sent to the trash. So, but I will look for that. I think I tried a coin. It might be the one you sent me. Sorry, I'm gonna go ahead and just text while you guys are in the chat. Let's see who else we got here. What I think YouTube. Who is What I Think YouTube? Just me, Lydia, and Rover, USS Rover in there. Yeah, USS Rover, I remember that. I'm going to go ahead and get that printed up. No, it's La 3D Printing. Le 3D Printing. Sorry, that's it. Nope. It's not Ellie. I'm thinking about changing the channel name anyway. Lydia did it. She's smart. No, it's Love 3D Printing. That's what you are. I'm going to do La 3D Printing. Actually, I should do mine in Spanish. La... What's Spanish? Okay, Google. How do you say 3D printing in Spanish? Yeah, I can't do that. Okay, Max, you have a 3D printer? Okay. No. Sorry, it's how I read it. Okay, so let's get to the good stuff. Money shot. Can you guys guess what I got? I don't know. It's about 18 inches long, about a foot wide, about a foot deep. It's not a 3D printer. I know it's initials, but now it's Le. Okay, so let's see what we got. Can you see this? I don't have a lot of space in my little back room here. So let's let me go to OBS. Okay, let's see what we got. Now, while I'm doing this, I'll tell you I got a CR10, I have an ANET A8, I have a Zone Star, which is a dual extruder, and I have, you guys see that? That Zone Star right there. And I have a Tron XY X1. Just slide this over. Right there. Okay, and I also have a CR10. I have a Rigid Bot. I got a Delta from Blue Eagle Labs. I have a Printer Bot Dual Metal that is, it's got layer shifting issues, and I have a RepRap Pro Mendel that is in storage that I still have to finish building. And it just, I end up with all these projects I never get to, and it's because you know you want the next feature, all the new features that just come out. So I think maybe CNC. Let's see. So I got this on Amazon. I'm going to do a full review on this product because I guarantee I'm so hyped about this product. I've been begging them to like send me one for free, and they're like, no, we're not going to do that. And then I see this product has been on Joel, the 3D printing nerd, and some of the other, like there's like 5 or 6 big 3D printer channels, and they just have this stuff that's like laying around in their garage. They just got all this free stuff, man. I got this for free. It was like $3.50 or something, but it barely works. I think they shelves, so, but I don't get stuff for free, and I like, you know, buying what I got at FlashForge. So this thing is going to take all of us. This is the future, right, in this box. I don't think I'm hooking it up to the Troxy. But let's see what we got. Bam! Money shot. Look at that. Oh! Look at the muscle pump. It's kind of heavy. I'm so hyped about this. Yep, it's a multi-filament machine. I already have a 3D printer filament maker. I got a Filabot that kind of works. So I can make my own filament, but not as good as the stuff you can buy. But, boom! It's the Palette Plus for filament. We're back. Alright, we went offline. Oh man. I love opening new boxes. I'm doing this on Wi-Fi, guys, so give me a break. I don't have a LAN cable. So, some 3D printed parts in brown. Never dealt with brown before. So, there they are. They look pretty good. Let's see what else we got here. Power supply unit, USB cable, stickers. There's an attachment for the extruder, power cord, Bowden tube, and this is a stepper counter. It actually counts the film. It measures the filament as it goes into your machine. So your machine has to be very well calibrated for the E-steps and a true extrusion rate. So it measures the steps as you go through. All right, let's see what else we got. You guys are all back, right? Awesome. So there it is, and its little coffin. You know, I might just keep it in this box if I want to mount it like vertically. I've seen some people mount these things vertically. I don't have a workbench right now. I have this, and I'm thinking about taking the ANET A8 and meshing it together with the RigidBot from Kickstarter, because RigidBot's got a burnt out board and I cut some of the cables, and this has got a burnt out heating bed, so I might just merge those two together and get rid of the ANET A8, basically just using it for parts. It's only $100. Boom, high density foam, gone. Whew! Designed in Canada, which is actually something you don't see every day. Pretty cool. Thank you, Canada. Let's see what else we got. It's heavy. It feels very industrial, which is cool. It's beautiful. Got some good graphics on the side here. An unusual mounting method. It's not just a power box. You can see it's got some styling there, kind of like Iron Man style. Extra points for that. Let's go on this side. A big fat SD card reader slot with plenty of space to go ahead and drop that into the machine by accident. Let's see. You got a little Bowden tube here. I'm not sure what that's for. Oh, this is where it comes out. This is where the filament comes out, and then it has a tube that goes over the top. This one right here goes over the top like this, and this magnet actually sticks on. There's a whole calibration method for this. Nope, don't want to break it before I get it. God damn. I don't know. We'll see. I'll tinker with it later, but that's how it goes on there. Let's see what else we got. Anybody else still in the chat? I got 4 people watching. Just watch, guys. I know I haven't been on YouTube a lot, but I want to make my content really good. So I got the mosaic here and the quick. So I work with my local hackerspace or makerspace, whatever you want to call it, and my base. In the library, they have 3D printers, and they make 3D prints for people for free. And someone saw my Iron Man helmet, and they sorry, I'm gonna. I haven't decided what printer it's going to be for yet, Lydia, or a random guy. I think your name's Max, but I haven't decided yet. But this Iron Man helmet kind of grabbed a lot of attention, and people at the makerspace wanted one. And since they're doing it for free, they would let me put my CR10 there, so it's so large, and I'm in this little space here. So I just let them use it, and they're like, "Yeah, can you help us make the Iron Man helmet?" So I learned some new skills, and I got a new file from Miko Industries. Shout out to Miko Industries. Please go over to his website, and he's got some free files. I printed out the New Century Iron Man helmet, and a couple different configurations, and a few different ways that he did things. But I got it down to like 40 hours total print time. Not bad. But the only thing was the jaw was removed. So I actually had to physically have the jaw taken off. Let me see if I can show you guys a picture of it. So let's see. I have pictures of it. I'm just going to hold it up to the camera because that's where we're at right now. So you don't need to be a big YouTuber. You can just hold your camera up to people. Let's see here. I've got a lot of projects I need to show you guys. It's been a good few weeks here. You can go to my Twitter, I think. It's Mr. John Ecker. And you can actually see my Twitter, where I have it there too. So that's the New Century Ironman helmet, and you can see it's in 3 different parts. You got the jaw, okay, we're back. Alright, sorry about that. I am on Wi-Fi on my desktop. I just need a longer LAN cable. So where I left off, I think, was I was showing you the picture of the Ironman helmet. I could actually put it over my head. So I figured, okay, I don't need to cut the jaw and tape it on, because that just adds one weakness to that little design. So I figured out the scaling, and I wanted to print it one shot, full jaw, full helmet, straight from bottom to top, just like it's worn. And the thing would take like 80 hours with support material, because the entire inside would be supported. So I need to learn that Prusa method for adding supports and mesh mixer. So I'm going to need to learn that skill to reduce the print time. But also, if I wanted to print something large, I wanted to have more than one spool of filament of, you know, whatever we're using, 1 kilogram at a time, 2.2 pounds of filament on a machine. Now, what I didn't realize at first when I first bought this is that I can hook up 4 spools of filament. That's 4 kilograms. That's 8.8 pounds of filament on one thing. And so that's the main reason I bought this unit instead of buying a giant CR10, the super big one, the extra large one that can print like 500 millimeters. I was going to buy that for $1,000 on GearBest, but I decided on buying this and making the most out of every printer I have. So that's why I bought this product. And I can't wait to see how it works out. I'm going to do like I'm going to try to set it up on my cheapest machine and then do it on my most expensive machine. And I think it's going to be a multiplier, what we call in the military a force multiplier. So I think this is going to be a good product, and hopefully if I can get an Amazon link code and you guys ever want to buy it, you put in your shopping cart, something like that, I get a little bit of extra quiche. Yeah, the S5. So I want to get a little kickback, because I think that it's underrated product right now, and it feeds a need that we have in the 3D printing community of, you have one printer, you can do a lot more with this unit. And right now it's not being marketed quite like that. Okay, it says we're back now. We'll see. Are we actually back, or does it just say we're back? So we're back. Okay, so I'm going to try to set this up tonight and get this up and running. I got a GoPro, finally got a GoPro, so I should expect some good video coming out. I suck at editing. I've been practicing. I've been doing some other stuff, just kind of get my mind right, get back. I was a little stressed out because I'm dealing with this eternal question of, what the hell does 3D printing even mean? Why should I care about 3D printing? So hopefully this machine will help us make 3D printers more and more useful, more closer to consumer grade stuff coming right off the shelf. So here you go. Here's the Mosaic Palette Plus, and stay tuned and get ready for a video about this product. I like you guys a lot. I want to hear you guys in the comments. I'm going to post this up in the actual video stream here in a minute. So that's all I got. Keep the comments, keep the conversation going. What would you do? Go check out Palette or Mosaic. What's it called? Mosaic Manufacturing. Go check them out on their website. I'll type in it right here. Go check out that website, and we'll see how it goes. Let me be the test dummy and make all the mistakes, and I'll teach you guys how not to make the same mistakes. Alright guys, it was good talking to you. I'll see you next time. Let's turn